welcome everyone. We are at Mahatech 2023 and we are at the stall of Steel Smith. And we are having with us Mr. Ravi, who can give us insights about what they are demonstrating. And the Mumbai-based company is mainly into manufacturing of clamping tools and they are catering to various industries. So let's hear the technicalities of the product which they are manufacturing from Mr. Ravi. So sir, please tell us about what you are demonstrating at this show.
Okay. So myself is Ravi Panchal. I am from Steel Smith, handling marketing department in Steel Smith. And first I will have to introduce about the Steel Smith. So Steel Smith is a more than 50 years old company, and we are specialized into the manufacturing of toggle clamps, latches, pneumatic toggle clamps, and other elements. So here you can see the all varieties of our toggle clamps that we are manufacturing. Other than this, we have tie-up with the two companies. There is a company called KEP, it's a German company, and there is a company called EMAO, this is a Japanese company. So our main course sector is manufacturing of the toggle clamps. So in the different industries, we can serve like fishers manufacturers, automotives, windmill energies, transportation industries, construction equipment industries. So these are the sort of industries in which we are serving from last so many years.
Okay.
Now we are upgrading with that new concept called Make in India. So through that we are serving to many companies who start manufacturing in India. So
Great.
one industry we can tell you like cold storage system, which is used for vaccine storage and vaccine transportation. So to them we are manufacturing latches, hinges, handles. So these are our main core sectors, and apart from that we have catering to defense also.
Okay.
Defense is nowadays is booming, so
Correct.
we are serving to them also for the different sectors.
Okay. So talking about the product which you are making in India, as you said,
Yeah.
that is your clamping
Clamping
solutions.
elements. So,
Right?
so all toggle clamps and pneumatic clamps that we are manufacturing.
Correct. So can you just give us a technical information about that product, like how that product is being manufactured and where it exactly goes?
So if we take the typical example of this pneumatic toggle clamp, so totally product is manufacturing in Mumbai plant, and if we take this example, then for the welding applications or assembly applications, or you can say light duty machining applications, there you can use this type of toggle clamp. These are the typical pneumatic toggle clamp. So
Okay.
nowadays everybody is facing labor issues, quality issues. So just to overcome such sort of issues, we have converted these manual clamps into the pneumatic. So now automation is on the next stage.
Correct.
Correct. So so all these are clamps are totally into the pneumatic. So just press the button, it will lock. You do machining, and it will get open, and you just take out the meat.
You all can have a look on the innovation, which is really, the solution over the manpower or
Correct.
solution or whatever the problems which industry is
Correct,
facing.
correct.
This. Okay. So talking about the Make in India campaign, as you already mentioned it. What
Correct.
are your thoughts on Make in India and how your company is contributing to Make in India?
So Make in India, taking main business from defense, cold storage system. So through that we are continuously supporting Make in India concept, and the business which are diverting from other countries also like China and all. So to them also we are catering in the higher volumes. So through that we are supporting Make in India projects.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you.